Since the industrial revolutions in England, technology development are rapidly changed. The role of humans is slowly being replaced by technology, especially since World War I. All countries have been competing to create various technology innovations. On today's video, we have listed some technologies that can endanger mankind. Self-Replication Technology. If you had watched the movie Doraemon, Nobita and That Can Endanger, then you must have seen humans on other planets living with peace, because there are robots that can set all days become Sundays. It seems that this kind of thought had been introduced since 1948 by John von Neumann. This technology is quite tempting. Humans just need to make one robot and humans can live in peace. Nano-sized weapon. Military weapons are becoming increasingly sophisticated these days. There are also drone weapons that are getting smaller, like swarm technology. This swarm technology is predicted can kill a large number of targets. Researchers also believe that there will be a lot of nano weapons that are going to be developed by some countries. War drones. This war drones is mostly used for military purposes to decrease the death of the pilot. The pilot of this drone only needs to enter her or his command, and the drone will take the actions to attack the target. These amassed soldiers will probably no longer need in the battle, since they can just give an order to the war drone. Virtual prison. This technology is not only cool but also economical, but it is very scary for people who use it. Virtual prisons are a technology that is expected to reduce the building resources such as prisons. Prisoners simply use this tool on their daily life. However, this virtual prison has a side effect where it can affect the criminal's mind and get stressed out at particular time.